Spiderweb dip is a savory appetizer featuring decorative layers. The base layer consists of guacamole or hummus. Sour cream is spread over the base to create a white surface. A spiderweb design is achieved using concentric circles of black olive slices. The olive circles are then dragged inward with a toothpick to form the web pattern. Ghost pizza bagels are a simple and kid-friendly snack. The snack features mini pizza bagels as the base. Mozzarella cheese is cut into ghost shapes for decoration. These cheese ghosts are then placed on top of the mini pizza bagels. Monster Mouth apples are a healthy and spooky snack. The snack uses apple slices as the base. Peanut butter is used as an adhesive and flavor enhancer. Marshmallows are cut or shaped to resemble teeth. The marshmallows are attached to the apple slices with peanut butter. This creates a fun, edible monster mouth. Pretzel rods can be creatively transformed into edible witch fingers. The transformation involves using melted green candy as a coating. Almond slivers are used to create the fingernail appearance. This craft combines culinary skills with creative design. The result is a visually appealing and tasty Halloween treat. Pumpkin Patch Dirt cups are visually appealing and tasty desserts. The base of these cups consists of layers of chocolate pudding. Crushed Oreo cookies are added to mimic the look of dirt. These crushed cookies are layered on top of the pudding. Candy pumpkins are used as decorations. The candy pumpkins are arranged to resemble a miniature pumpkin patch. Candy corn fruit parfaits are a healthy and festive treat. They are made by layering fruit and whipped cream in clear glasses. The layers mimic the color pattern of candy corn. Fruits such as pineapple and oranges are typically used. This creates a visually appealing and nutritious dessert. Oranges can be carved into jack-o'-lantern faces for a festive presentation. The orange's natural shape and color make it ideal for this purpose. Carefully carve out the desired jack-o'-lantern face on the orange's surface. Scoop out the orange pulp to create a hollow bowl. Fill the carved orange with fruit salad for a healthy and decorative serving option. Classic Halloween cookies can be easily created by decorating them to resemble spiders. The primary decoration involves using chocolate frosting as a base layer. Pretzel sticks are then strategically placed to mimic spider legs. This design is a simple and visually effective way to create spooky treats. Eyeball pasta is a spooky dish perfect for themed events. The dish uses mozzarella balls to simulate eyeballs. Olive slices are added to the mozzarella balls to mimic pupils. These eyeballs are then mixed into pasta. Red sauce is added to complete the spooky pasta dish. Graveyard pudding cups are a creative dessert idea, perfect for themed parties. The base of these cups consists of chocolate pudding, providing a rich flavor. Crushed Oreo cookies are used to create a realistic dirt or graveyard effect on top. Gummy worms are added as a playful and spooky element, resembling worms in the ground. Milano cookies serve as tombstones, adding a decorative and thematic touch to the dessert. These elements combine to form a visually appealing and tasty graveyard-themed treat. Bloody Shirley Temples are a spooky drink option for themed events. The drink's blood-like effect is achieved using grenadine syrup. A clear glass is essential to showcase the grenadine's color and effect. Lemon lime soda is used as the primary mixer in the cocktail. The grenadine is added to the lemon lime soda, creating a visually striking contrast. This combination results in a non-alcoholic drink that resembles a bloody cocktail. Severed finger hot dogs are a creative and somewhat gruesome snack. The process involves partially peeling the hot dogs to create a finger-like appearance. An almond is added to the tip of each hot dog to simulate a fingernail. This transforms a regular hot dog into a fun, albeit unsettling treat. The snack is visually striking and suitable for themed events or parties. The scene focuses on decorating cupcakes with a brain theme. Pink frosting is used to create the brain-like appearance. The frosting is carefully shaped to resemble brain convolutions. This creates a visually striking and thematic dessert. The cupcakes are designed for themed parties or events. The presentation is intended to be both creative and appetizing. Meringue ghosts are light and airy Halloween treats. The process involves baking and decorating meringue to resemble ghosts. Achieving the right meringue consistency is crucial for the ghost shape. Careful baking ensures the meringues are crisp and dry. Decorating can include adding edible eyes or other spooky details. Creative Halloween food displays enhance the festive atmosphere of a party. Presenting all Halloween-themed food items together creates a visually appealing arrangement. A decorated table serves as the centerpiece for showcasing Halloween culinary creations. Emphasis is placed on the overall presentation to maximize the impact of the food display. The arrangement should be both thematic and appetizing to guests. Combining various food items adds depth and variety to the Halloween-themed spread.